Are you tired of struggling with uneven haircuts, dull clippers, and mediocre performance from your current trimmers? For the best price, click the link in the description to get the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro that's about to change everything. But here's what surprised me: this powerful clipper isn't just for pros. It's a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and home users who want high-end results without breaking the bank. There are some things you should know before buying though, /N. There is no shortage of clippers on Amazon, but the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro stands out from the pack due to its sleek design, ergonomic grip, and most importantly, incredible performance. It's got a powerful motor that produces over 6,000 strokes per minute, making quick work of even the thickest hair types, /N. But there's more to this clipper than just raw power. It also features adjustable blade lengths from 0.5 mm to 10 mm, allowing you to customize your cut with precision and ease, /N. However, I have to ask, are these features enough to justify the higher price point compared to other Wahl models, /N? One of the standout features that sets this clipper apart is its chrome finish. Not only does it look great, but it also makes cleaning a breeze. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a bit of shiny metal in their grooming routine? /N. But what really impressed me was how well balanced the clippers are. Despite being on the heavier side, they felt surprisingly comfortable to hold and maneuver, /N. Therefore, it's clear that Wahl put a lot of thought into designing this clipper with both form and function in mind. But does it live up to its lofty expectations, /N? Let's take a closer look at what makes these clippers tick, from the motor to the blades and beyond. Stay tuned, /N. As we dive deeper, you'll learn more about the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro's impressive features and capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned barber or just starting out, this clipper is sure to impress, /N. One of the most significant advantages of this clippers is its versatility. It comes with not one but two types of blades, a T-blade for tackling thicker hair and a detail blade for precision work. This means you can tackle a variety of tasks without needing multiple devices, /N. However, I did find that the T-blade could be a bit more efficient at high speeds. But this is a minor complaint in an otherwise excellent product, /N. Therefore, if you're looking to upgrade your current clippers or simply want a reliable backup, the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro is definitely worth considering. And with its 5-year warranty and excellent customer support, you can rest assured that you're covered in case anything goes wrong, /N. But before we conclude, I have to mention one potential drawback. Some users may find the clippers a bit noisier than expected. However, this was only noticeable at higher speeds and didn't bother me too much during regular use, /N. In conclusion, if you're serious about getting professional-grade results from home, the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro is an investment worth making. With its unbeatable performance, sleek design, and impressive features, it's clear why this clipper has earned a reputation as one of the best on the market. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro today.